Alright, what's up you guys? So we put this little mini bike together for my coworker. Put it right here. So it's a little small frame, scrub brake, 6-inch wheel setup. We put in a 196 in it. We did a governor delete. It has 18-pound valve springs in it. We did the little adapter, and then we put a PZ26 carb. We jetted it. That's a little header pipe, and he's just running a 12-tooth clutch. And this is a little setup right here. Little mini bike we built for the coworker. So that's pretty cool. I'll take you guys on a little ride on it real quick. All right, we're gonna take it for a little spin. Only one-handed right now, but this little mini bike's pretty peppy. It's pretty fast. This little bike's fast. I didn't get to get on it good because I don't have the GoPro on me. But this thing is fast. Big motor. We extended the pegs a little bit so we have more room. Quick. I know. Got him on the mini bike. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. That's a wheelie man. Woo. There you go. It sputtered a little bit, huh? Huh? It sputtered a little bit?
What, that?
Like when you ran? Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
At the end, why?
Probably needs a little more fuel.
Like what?
I gotta move the little needle.
Ready?
Yeah. Let me move. Come here. Better. Wait. Over here, over here. No, no, come here. Go here. Hold your feet. Hold your feet in front of the pegs. Hold them like that. But like lock your feet in there.
This one's weak.
It doesn't matter. It'll do it.
I just do it.
No, no, just do it how I told you. Hold your feet right there. It won't move. It won't move.
All right.
Thing's moving.